think you got it all out, AJ.
You got it. You smashed that water. You smashed that water good, AJ.
Now just... You got it all.
You smashed that water.
AJ. AJ, where'd the water go? AJ. AJ. Where'd the water go? Lucky there's no water in there.
He's got it on his face. Come on, Mark. I'll give you some water upstairs.
Where'd the water go? AJ? Where'd the water go? It's all over your face. Did you drink it? Did you drink Lucky's water? Where's the water? Where'd the water go? Ava, where you going? Yep. Here, what are we opening now? We are in big trouble, little boy.